Today we're checking out the SpeedForm roof spoiler in gloss black for the 2024 newer Mustang Fastbacks. If you're looking to add a slick, aggressive touch to the rear roofline without sacrificing a clean look, this spoiler offers a plug-and-play package with some OEM plus styling. This roof spoiler brings a subtle but high-impact design twist with its low-profile lip that sits right at the back edge of the roof, giving your Mustang a sharper silhouette from the side and rear profile. The gloss black finish contrasts nicely against lighter body colors or complements dark ones and dark accented accessories very well, adding visual depth and a more performance-oriented vibe overall. Because it's injected molded acrylic plastic, the spoiler is both lightweight and very durable, resistant to impacts, weathering, and fading over time. The included 3M double-sided bonding adhesive is already installed on the part, which makes installation super simple and clean, and it's gonna eliminate the need for any drilling or any permanent modifications. This makes it a great option for anybody who wants a visual enhancement without any permanent modifications. This is manufactured using precise CAD data from the factory for a perfect fit. The spoiler is made from molded acrylic plastic that holds up well under those harsh conditions. The gloss black pre-painted finish helps match the upper roof trim and adds a nice polished look to that roof line. The package is going to include the spoiler itself, an alcohol pad for prepping the surface, and like we mentioned, that pre-applied adhesive to really simplify that process. This is all designed to ensure a secure bond and a long-lasting, seamless integration with that factory roof. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that $100 price range. For a style piece that elevates the appearance without any huge cost or complex install, this is a solid value for Mustang owners looking for that rear spoiler look. The installation is rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this done in 30 minutes or less of your time. So now let's head on out to the shop, and we're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
What's up, guys? Today we're installing a roof spoiler on our Mustang, so let's get started. So our roof spoiler is just gonna stick on, so make sure your windshield's nice and clean, and then I'm just gonna be picking up the corners of the double-sided tape here. I'm gonna pull it over the side, that way we can lay it down, have something to grab onto and pull it so we can get it lined up before we fully stick it down. So I'm just gonna come in from one side, pull a little bit and then bend it up. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And then I'm gonna fully remove the backing on these little pieces on the sides. And then right in the middle, we've got a couple like V slits cut out where the tape bends. So I'm also gonna pull up the corner there, just in case it were to rip. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So now we've got a lot of spots to pull from. So we're just gonna go ahead and line it up. I'm gonna work this side first, get over there, and then we can stick it down once we have it lined up properly. So I'm gonna get my corner lined up first. And then I'm gonna go over to the other side. And we're a little too far over here, so I'm gonna have to pull this side a little bit closer. And now we're about even on both sides. So now I'm just gonna start pulling my double-sided tape, and that side ripped. So we'll come over to the other side. And then we'll just start sticking it down as we move across. Now my double-sided tape backing is ripping as I'm pulling it across. So now that I'm on this side, I'm gonna lift up a little bit to make it a little bit easier. And then just line it up, lay it down. So now once you got this mounted up, there is a protective layer on here. If you look at all this jaggedness in here, you can pull that back. So I'm just gonna start from a corner and work my way across. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the SpeedForm roof spoiler in gloss black for your 2024 and newer Mustang Fastback. Thank you for watching, and for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.